Okay guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking it out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, I will like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so guys, these are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. And um if you are willing to make up to $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5 minute time frame. This had been on downtrend, but it came to an end at this support and started an uptrend right from there, but still it got to this resistance zone, had a pullback, played around there for a while, but went back up to break out above it, so it has gotten to a new resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back on downtrend and try to break out from this particular support zone. Okay, so this is very important. This is still buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time before it will change the direction of the market into a downtrend, most especially if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. Boom 500 had been on uptrend right from this support zone. It got to this resistance zone, and of course it has not been able to break out from there, so it started a downtrend right from there, and it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. This is crash 1000, and of course this particular asset has been more of a downtrend right from here to till this very moment. Okay, I mean this particular support zone, it has gotten to this particular support zone, and of course it has not been able to break out below it. If it's unable to break out below it, it's going to change the direction of the trend into an uptrend, but if it breaks out below it, it will keep on selling. Okay, so from there we expect it to go into a buy trend if it's unable to break out from that support zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. Okay guys, this is crash 500. This actually went on uptrend from here, came to an end at this point, and of course it started selling right from there, and it has been selling since then. It has gotten to this support zone. If it breaks out below it, to keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on uptrend. Okay, so this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below that support zone. That is when it's going to go back on buy trend. Okay, next asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. So for VIX 75, and of course this had been on downtrend right from here. You can see the red flag and the red arrow, and it has been selling since then. And of course guys, it's actually got to this resistance zone, I mean to this support zone. It was unable to break out from there, so if it's unable to break out from there, then it will change the direction of the trend into an uptrend. However, this is still selling at the moment until it is unable to break out from there. That is when it will go fully into an uptrend. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so that is all that we have for you guys today, and of course all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every aspect of it, practice it very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.